A blessed morning, everyone. This is how you create a multiple choice type quiz in your Google Classroom. First off, in your main page where you see all the classes, you have to choose the particular class where you would like to create that quiz. So I'll choose trial class 123. Okay, and you have to click on classwork. After clicking on classwork, you have to click on create quiz assignment. And you have to put a title here. For example, the title that I want to have is quiz for lesson 1. After that, you have to click on blank quiz. It will prompt you up to a Google form. Okay, so this is your quiz. For example, first question is using Google Classroom difficult. Since it's multiple choice, let's say the option 1 is true and the option 2 is false. Okay, and for example, you wanna have 5 points for this question, and the correct answer is true. You click on done. All right, and if you have another question, just click on duplicate and then try to put in another question. For instance, what do you use to uh, meet your students in a video conference call? Number 1, Google Calendar. Option 2, Google Meet. Option 3, Google Schedule. And option 4, Google Classroom. Okay, and let's say you want this to be 10 points, and of course the correct answer there is Google Meet. Of course you have to untick Google Calendar there and click on done. So this is a 2-item multiple choice quiz for your students. What you need to do next is click on settings. So if you want to restrict this to your particular affiliation, and if you want to limit the responses, and if you want to collect their email addresses, you have to click on these, and they're not supposed to revise their answers, so this is unticked. If you want to see the summary charts, you click on if respondents if you want respondents to see summary charts, you have to click on this one. And for the presentation, if you want to shuffle the questions so that you would avoid cheating, you can shuffle questions so that every student would have a different set of questions. And you can also click on the progress bar so that they know if they're about to finish the quiz. And if you want to place a confirmation message like good job after finishing the quiz, then you can also do that. And for the quiz test portion, you have to click on this one, make this a quiz, so that point values will be included. And of course, you want to review first their scores before releasing the scores to the students. So you have to click on later after manual review. And respondents can also see the missed questions, correct answers, and point values. So it's up to you as a teacher if you want to keep those settings. Okay, so if you're done with the settings, you can close it. And you can close the form because it's saved in your Google Drive. You can close the form. Now, you must click on grade importing so that whatever is the score of the student in the Google form, it will be imported to your Google Classroom grade section and click on Assign. So that is how you create a multiple choice type quiz in your Google Classroom. Have a wonderful day.